One of the biggest mistakes independent artists make is recording songs that never sound professional. And most of the time, the problem isn't the microphone. Welcome back to XMP Artist Academy. I'm your guide to the professional studio sound. Today we're exposing the mistakes that are killing your records. Fixing these 5 errors won't just improve your audio, it will transform your entire career. Let's get to work. Mistake number 1, ignoring room acoustics. If you record in a room with bare walls, your microphone is capturing your voice plus the echo of the room. This boxy sound is the #1 sign of amateur recording. It makes your vocals sound distant and disconnected from the beat. Real studio insight: use soft materials to absorb those reflections. Even a thick blanket behind your head can instantly make your vocal sound pro and dry. Mistake number 2, poor microphone distance. Many artists think being right against the mic makes them sound bigger. In reality, it just creates mud. This proximity effect boosts the low-end frequencies too much, making your voice sound thick, muffled, and difficult to mix. Stay 6 to 8 inches back. Mistake number 3, recording too hot. If your audio interface meters are hitting the red, you are permanently damaging your recording with digital distortion. You can't unclip a vocal. Turn the gain down. Your peak should be around -10 decibels to give your engineer the headroom they need to work. Mistake number 4, low performance energy. A flat performance is impossible to fix with effects. No amount of auto-tune can add passion. The mic records more than your voice. It records your intent. Move, gesture, and really deliver that emotion. If you aren't feeling it, the fan won't either. Mistake number 5, recording with too much latency. If you have too many plugins on your track while recording, you'll hear a slight delay in your ears. This delay ruins your natural rhythm and makes it impossible to stay perfectly on beat. Record with a clean signal and low buffer size for the best results. Here are your actionable steps. First, check your room. Soft surfaces are your best friend. Second, back off the mic. 6 inches is the sweet spot. Third, check your gain. Stay out of the red. Fourth, bring the energy. Perform like you're on stage. And fifth, record dry to avoid latency. In summary, control your environment, manage your technical settings, and focus on the performance. These are the pillars of a professional record. If you avoid these 5 mistakes, your music will immediately stand out from the crowd. Keep creating and never stop improving. Subscribe to XMP Artist Academy for more deep dives. Improve your sound, improve your career. I'll see you in video 3.